Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. I back with you a new lesson for you. Today we are look at some basic grammar lesson. We are getting information with new topic pronouns. He and she. Oh, you getting confused now, okay, ma'am? We have so many pronouns. Only he and she? Yes. We have to learn only he and she. Well, do you get confused with these pronouns? Let's we have look difference here and learn how to use correctly. Student, before we have to learn pronouns, we have to understood that what is pronoun. How many pronouns are there? In our daily routine, we are use pronouns, but we have no idea from where, from how, when we use pronouns. So first we see what is the meaning of pronouns. Dear student, pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Again, I want to repeat. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. This definition is little bit clear with you. But you tell me that, okay, ma'am, how many pronouns are there? What are the pronouns? So, I can define these pronouns in this small diagram. Pronoun I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Oh dear student, don't afraid. We have to only learn he and she. Don't get. Chalo, first we see he. Okay, student, in our daily routine, sometimes we are using he, she, it, they, I, me, wherever we use. But we don't know from where we use he. So here we have small definition. He used with male person or animal. Again I want to repeat. He used with male person or animal. Let's we see some example. We have some example. Here we have picture of one boy. He is a boy. So we can use he with boy. Then you say that, okay, man, we can use he only with boy? No, my dear student. We can use he with grandfather, father, man, boy, or any particular name of boy like Rahul, Raj, Manav. We can use he. Another picture. He is a man. Third picture. He is playing. This boy is playing with a ball. Dear student, almost you have to clear what is he, where we can use he. Now, let's we move pronoun she. She. S-H-E. she used with female person or animal. Again I want to repeat. She used with female person or animal. Yes. Here we have picture of girl. She is a girl. Okay, again you have to question that, ma'am, we can only use the she with girl? No, my dear student. We can use she with grandmother, girl, daughter, sister, sister-in-law, mother. We have so many options that we can use she, and we can also use the name of a girl. So, she is a girl, she is a woman, and here the picture of girl, she is drinking a milk. Again, she concept is almost clear with you. So dear student, let's we move and we solve this little bit exercise. Okay student, here we see the picture. We have two pictures. Almost you know that these are two pictures. First, we have to write he or she. Blank is a boy. Now tell me student, in this blank, which pronouns will become he or she? Very good. The picture of is boy, and we here write he. He is a boy. Next blank. Very good. This is the picture of girl. And earlier we say that with girl we can use pronoun she. Very good. Okay dear student. We have little bit small paragraph. In small paragraph we have to use pronouns which is suitable. We have to write. Aarti is a teacher. Blank is very good teacher. Blank is long and thin. Blank always wears sari. I love my teacher. Now you have confused that, ma'am, what can we write in this blank? We don't know. So just the little bit thing you have to remember that we can never use Aarti, 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 Aarti. Instead of Aarti, we can use suitable pronouns for Aarti. Aarti is a girl. So which pronouns is suitable? Yes, she. She is a suitable pronoun for her. So let's be solve. Aarti is a teacher. We don't use Aarti. We use yes. She. She is very good teacher. Again what we write? We do not write Aarti is a long and thin. But we write she is long and thin. Now tell me student, here we write Aarti or she? Yes, very good. We also write she because we never use Aarti again and again. That's why we use pronouns. Again I want to repeat. Aarti is a teacher. She is very good teacher. She is long and thin. She is always wear sari. I love my teacher. Student, I want to conclude my video. I recapitulate all the things again, so you have to clear with this. Pronouns he and she. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. What are these pronouns? Pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, they. He used with male person or animal. He is a boy. He is a man. He is playing. Now we see she. Used with female person or animal. She is a girl. She is a woman. She is drinking a milk. So student, here we conclude my topic, and I think almost you have to clear what is pronouns, how many pronouns are there, from where we use these pronouns. He and she almost is clear with all of you. So thank you students. Bye.